Meaning of Greenpeace.
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 Greenpeace. Greenpeace is an international non-governmental environmental organization that aims to protect the environment and promote peace. Founded in Vancouver, Canada in 1971, Greenpeace has grown into a global network with offices in over 55 countries. Through peaceful protests, direct action, and lobbying, Greenpeace campaigns on issues such as climate change, deforestation, nuclear power, and overfishing. The organization has been influential in shaping environmental policy and public opinion worldwide. With a mission to create a just and sustainable world, Greenpeace continues to advocate for a cleaner, greener future for all.